Hey guys and gals, welcome to Sweet Project Cars with cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer and simple ways. Hey, we had some great people ask this question. Can the process we did last week on the Ultimate Shine work on wheels? Yes, it can. You see how grungy and nasty this is? I'm going to share with you how to make your wheel, no matter what it is, whether it's aluminum, magnesium, steel, painted, it doesn't matter. It's going to be beautiful. We're going to make that wheel shine and the hubcap as well. So let's get cracking. All right, we're going to take the wheel off old school. Gotta find the right one. Now usually you would wash this all up while it's on the vehicle, get it all washed up, but we're not going to do that. We're going to share with you the easiest, fastest way to do this. Now when you're using a four-way, if you use your fingernails to let it ride on it instead of your wet, sticky, sweaty hands, it'll spin faster. All right, let's go get this taken care of. All right, here's what we're going to do. Easiest, fastest method. You can do these on every wheel you own. You can do this on your bathroom shower door if you don't want to have to clean it constantly with lime. I mean, this process and this stuff we're going to be using is amazing. See last week's video and you'll see what I'm talking about. It's this one right here. All right, what we're doing is taking out the valve stem core with a valve stem core removal tool. And I know I'll lose that. Little bugger right there. So I'm going to put it somewhere I won't lose it. You don't even have to wash these up. That's the cool part of it. Now you don't have to take the core out of it if you want to just sit there and hold it for 3 weeks. And the best spray bottles available. Now again, you can use lacquer thinners if you're worried about fisheye. The fisheye is those little circles you get when you paint or clear coat. I put it on very heavy. You know, and another secret to making your tires really shine before you put your tire shine on, or your 303, is to spray the tires down with Old 99 and then let it dry and then put your stuff on, because it'll really shine like you've never seen. Now when you do this process, whatever you can see is going to be there. Pretty much permanently. You can take the wheel, flip it over, clean all the inside, clean all this on the back side of it if you want. We're not going to do that because this is a work van, but we will reach in there and wipe these areas down. And a trash can works really good for this kind of stuff. For wheels especially. You need to buy Old 99 by the gallons because this stuff is so useful when it comes to working on your vehicle. And if you're into motorcycles, make sure you check out our Sweet Scoots channel on YouTube. We got some pretty cool stuff on there. We're adding more. We'll do it one more time with an absolute clean cloth. Then we'll put the cap back on without the core in it, right here. It's about, I don't know, 95 degrees in Florida here. Absolutely beautiful. Get up close and focus it in good and see if you can see a little bit of the sunshine in it. Wait till you see it when we're done. And the old 99 evaporates very fast. Okay, we'll wait 5 minutes and let this really dry out good. All right, here's what we're doing. Taking some cheap index cards. You just push down right here. Stick it in. Can't do it unless you take the air out of it. Overlap them. All right, for the rest of the wheel, so we don't get any clear coat on this part here, we're going to use just straight up Vaseline. And this works great. And it's good for your tires. And there's no paint or clear coat that can stick to it. Be real generous with it. And it comes right off with a power washer or a little brush and some good Adams soap. And I appreciate everybody asking for videos on certain things. And this stuff's not bad for your hands. I just don't want my hand all greasy right now while I'm doing this video. Alright, the stuff we're going to be using is this stuff right here. And make sure you use a mask. Do it outside on a non-windy day. Shake it for 2 minutes. Now I've already shook it before this. Pull this little red thing out here. Put it down here on the bottom. And then you'll put the cap on the ground like this. And you'll push that red thing. Like that. You'll feel it go down in. And it punctures the little cylinder in there that's got the activator or the hardener. Then you shake it for 2 minutes after that. And you can make anything shine with this stuff. And it's a huge durable coat. Nothing better than a 2K clear coat like this. We've tried them all and this is the best. And we're not being paid to share this. Alright, there's 2 minutes.
Put your mask on.
Put your mask on. Put your valve stem cap on. And we're going to do 2 coats. Wait 5 minutes in between because like I said, it's about 90 degrees out here, 100 degrees. Oh, I wanted to share this with you. Because these wheels are raw aluminum, I got sick of polishing them constantly. So what I did was, this same process in this video I'm sharing with you, I did on these aluminum wheels. And I'll never have to use mothers on them again. All I'll have to do is wash them up, and I can wax them if I want. And they have been ceramic coated, so they have all the protection in the world. Absolutely beautiful. And I will be doing the back wheel very shortly. We will be doing the center cap, hubcap as well. This stuff does not compare in any way, shape, or form for the store-bought and clear coats that are out there, Rust-Oleum. None of that will do what this stuff does here. This is professional grade stuff. All right. We will let that dry for about 5 minutes or so and see if it's tacky. And we'll touch an area out here to see if it's tacky. We'll put another coat on it and it's done. All right, we're ready for the second coat. It's tacky. And this coat will be heavier.
What about Julio?
Julio, tell everybody where all the tools and products will be.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio Cesar Chavez Rodriguez. Now we'll do the hubcap. We'll set this off to the side and do the center cap. Now that's got a pretty decent shine to it now, but we want ease of cleaning as well. And when you do this, the stuff cleans up so easily. Here we go. This is plastic, and it protects against chipping. All right, I wanted to share with you the shine on this thing. It doesn't do it justice. Well, obviously, Julio's been here. Look at that. He left his trademark. Ugh, that guy. Look at that shine. Look at those fake lug nuts. They look wet. They're so shiny.